How should we pronounce these words? Let's find out in this lesson. Alright, so this is our first word, color. This color has the same sound of a cup of mustard. A cup of mustard is from the color vowel chart. The U of cup and U of mustard have the same sound of O, the first O, of color. Now, the transcription here indicates the apostrophe means that we should pronounce or we should stress the first syllable. Alright, so let's read or pronounce this word 3 times. Color, color, color. The color is amazing. The color is amazing. Alright, it's your turn to read the next word now. Not sentence. Great job! Alright, so let's move on to our next word. This is our next word, color. This color has the same sound of Auburn dog. Auburn dog is from the color vowel chart. AU of Auburn and O of dog have the same sound of A of color. Now, let's be guided with this transcription. Color, color, color. Alright, let's read this sentence. The caller spoke in Spanish. The caller spoke in Spanish. It's your turn to read the next sentence. Fantastic. Let's move on to our next word. This word, collar, has the same sound of olive sock. The O of olive and O of sock have the same sound of O of color, also with the same sound of A from father. Now, be guided with this transcription. Let's pronounce this word 3 times. Collar, collar, collar. He adjusted his collar. He adjusted his collar. It's your turn to read the next sentence. Good job! Let's have the practice of these 3 words. First word, collar. Second word, collar. Third word, collar. Let's repeat these words 3 times each. Collar, collar, collar. Collar, collar, collar. Collar, collar, collar. Note, all of these 3 words have the same sound at the end. Lur, lur, lur. Let's repeat each 3 times again. Collar, collar, collar. Color, color, color. Color, color, color. Right. Alright. So, we're done. And if you find this interesting, fun, and helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This has been Giovanni of Endless Night with G. Please subscribe now. I'll see you in our next video. If you have suggestions, questions, or clarifications, just put it down in the comment section. Bye!